Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to draw the BMW M4 F82. We'll begin by lightly sketching the car's fundamental shape and key lines. Focus on establishing the correct wheelbase and overall height to ensure accurate proportions from the start. Using a good reference image is crucial to capture the distinctive profile of the M4 F82. This initial step lays the groundwork for a realistic drawing. Next, we'll refine the body panels, bringing out the M4's aggressive and sporty styling. Carefully draw the prominent wheel arches and the distinctive side skirts, ensuring they flow naturally with the car's form. It's important to pay close attention to the subtle curves and sharp creases that define the M4 F82's unique design. These details add depth and character to your drawing. Now, let's focus on the front and rear features. Carefully sketch the iconic BMW kidney grille and the sleek headlights, paying close attention to their precise shapes. Move to the rear, detailing the bumper, the distinctive taillights, and the signature quad exhaust pipes. Ensuring symmetry and correct placement of all these major components is key to a successful and recognizable drawing. Finally, we'll add the finishing touches and begin shading. Incorporate smaller details such as door handles, side mirrors, and window trim to complete the car's appearance. Then, apply shading to create depth and highlight the M4's muscular contours. Use varying pencil pressures to achieve realistic light and shadow effects, bringing your BMW M4 F82 drawing to life.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.